Hey everybody, this is Eddie coming to you from Arizona. This video really ain't so much as far as motivation, inspirational, just informational. So I want to give a quick shout out to my daughter and one of her friends, or a couple of her friends and classmates she goes to school with. They had 13 schools that had tried out for orchestra, choir, and band all-stars, or all-stars or honor band. And so there's quite a few schools involved, probably about 150, 160 kids total added up to make all three bands or three groups. And they all put on an amazing performance. Daughter plays the tuba. Last year she was on saxophone, so this is her first year on tuba, and she was stoked. She's the only tuba player. The reason she switched to tuba was the band had no tuba players, and at the beginning of the school year they had asked if anybody would be interested in giving it a shot. Nobody raised their hand, so she said she'll give it a go. And because of that, she's actually made the honor band, and she knows what it's like to play with other tuba players now. So anyways, want to give them all a shout out for just even trying to audition and make this honor band. And for those that didn't make it, they need big kudos too for just stepping out and putting in the effort. So amazing performance. They had 24 hours less, or 24 hours, under 24 hours to practice together. Friday from about 4 to 6:30 they practiced together, and then 8 till the beginning of the concert. So 8 in the morning to the beginning of the concert, which started at 4:30. So it was it's impressive to see these kids, 6th to 8th grade, come together, practice together, play together under new direction for all three groups, and put on a good performance. So a little lesson, everybody, is go for it, audition. Worst case scenario, you don't make it, you learn something. Never know, you might surprise yourself. I know when my daughter tried out for this band, for this honor band, she ended up calling me crying, talking about how she just crashed and burned, and which is funny. And I told her she's not a judge, she plays. She went out and tried, gave it an effort, and she's going to do it again next year. And in doing so, kind of got her to look at the fact that she just stepped out and did it anyways, and tried. Well, lo and behold, a couple days later, guess what? She's third chair on this honor band, which is pretty funny. After just a few days before, crying and bawling about how she crashed and burned. So, anyways, you never know what you can do until you try. So, step out, go for it, and you guys have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.